In this video, I'm going to teach you how to repair car in one state RP. So technically, in order to repair a broken car, you need to have a repair kit. Now head over to your one state RP, and from in there, as you can see, it's an immersive open world MMORPG that transports player into vibrant city. You need to focus on expanding your business, not neglecting the main story, and diversifying your income streams and connecting with other players. However, if you ever encountered a broken car while you're on your mission, what you can do is you need to head over and just get the repair kit, head over to any repair shop, or just abandon it and get a new car as you like it. Participate as well on daily tasks and events, and you can check the task tab regularly for the daily missions that you can get, and that way you can advance your character. You can customize your character and vehicle and embrace role playing through this way. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.